Here I've got a Samsung A400, and let me show you how to add a new contact on the following device. So at first you have to enter the number that you would like to add to your contact list. For example, let me enter this number, then click on save, and it's time to enter the name. So let me enter heart. And then tap on OK. Now you can pick if you would like to store it at location 1 or took the card, so it's up to you. I will just make it this way, so let me click to card, to phone, it's up to you, and finally tap on OK to save it. And this is it. As you can see here, you've got your contact, it's heart with asterisk, then you've got the number and the place that it is saved, so it's in phone. Then if you'd like to click on options, and here you can erase this contact, copy it and send it to some other friend of yours, make a color group. Also you can edit it by tapping on edit, and here you can change the name if you want to. Tap on OK to save the changes. And this is it, that would be all. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.